Have you ever wondered why you engage in certain habits or struggle to change them? Welcome to episode number 8 of the Atomic Habits series. Today, we're going to explore the power of habit reflection and self-awareness in our habit-building journey. James Clear emphasizes the importance of self-reflection as a tool for understanding our habits, identifying triggers, and making meaningful changes. Get ready to dive deep into the realm of self-awareness. Habit reflection involves taking a step back and observing our behaviors, thoughts, and emotions related to our habits. It's about developing a heightened sense of self-awareness and gaining insights into the underlying factors that drive our actions. One technique for habit reflection is journaling. By regularly recording your habits, thoughts, and feelings, you create a space for self-reflection. Journaling allows you to identify patterns, triggers, and potential obstacles that may be affecting your habits. It also provides an opportunity to celebrate wins, express gratitude, and track progress. In addition to journaling, mindfulness practices can enhance self-awareness. Engaging in mindfulness exercises, such as meditation or body scans, helps us cultivate a non-judgmental awareness of our thoughts and sensations. This heightened awareness allows us to observe our habits more objectively and make conscious choices about our behaviors. Another aspect of habit reflection is exploring the underlying beliefs and values that drive our habits. By understanding our core motivations, we can align our habits with our values and create more meaningful and fulfilling routines. Ask yourself why you want to establish a particular habit and how it aligns with your long-term vision and values. Self-awareness also involves recognizing and managing our triggers and cues. By identifying the specific cues that prompt our habits, we gain the power to interrupt automatic responses and make intentional choices. Pay attention to the emotions, situations, or people that trigger certain behaviors. With this awareness, we can design strategies to respond differently and shape our habits in a more intentional way. Habit reflection and self-awareness provide us with the insights and tools necessary to make meaningful changes. By observing our behaviors, understanding our motivations, and identifying triggers, we can consciously shape our habits and align them with our desired outcomes. In our next episode, we'll discuss the power of identity in habit formation. James Clear emphasizes the crucial role of identity and self-perception in establishing and maintaining habits. So, stay tuned, and let's continue our journey of atomic habit transformation.